going to make a strawberry ladyfinger cake today. For that we need 3 layers of white cake. So I actually have a 2-layer cake here and then half of another one that I used for something else. So what I need to do is just cut off this top part right here. Okay, get rid of that. And then cut this in half. So I like to just cut at the edge, turn the cake as I cut until I get all the way through. Voila, just like that. And then I've got my 3 layers of cake. Okay, so since this is a top, I'll use this one as the bottom. I've got it's an 8-inch cake, so I'm using an 8-inch cardboard, and this is just some stiffened buttercream. When I mean stiffened, it's just stiffened up with some more powdered sugar. I want to take the top off here. These are just parchment circles that I use when I bake my cakes. Flip this on over. And then I like to put a stiffened buttercream dam around my cake. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put fresh strawberries inside, but I'm also going to put Bavarian cream. Now this Bavarian cream, what this is it's just the Bavarian cream that you get at a cake supply store. It's like the custardy stuff that you get, but what I do is I mix it with something called Pastry Pride. It's a non-dairy whipped topping, so all you have to do is let it defrost and then whip it up with your mixer, and then after it's whipped up, I just fold in the Bavarian cream. Okay, and it just makes that Bavarian cream a little bit lighter. So then I just want to plop some down inside here. Okay, then we need our fresh strawberries. Okay, so I've got a cutting board here. Now the thing about putting strawberries in your cake, obviously we need to wash the strawberries, but if you actually put them in a big colander and just rinse, to put the tap water on them, it can actually make your strawberries too soggy and then make your cakes soggy. So what I actually do is I have a towel right here, and what I do is I take each strawberry and I go like this on the rag and then rinse this out. This has only been used for the strawberries. You know, it's not one that I wipe the counter and everything down with. Then you cut off the top, and the best way to cut these strawberries is down this way. You want to keep them nice and thick. Some people end up, they think that they should cut them maybe this way, but the thing is then you get these small little pieces, and when it's inside your cake, that's not as good. So cut them down lengthwise, keep them nice and thick, and you just want to start popping them all in here. You want to always make sure you have plenty in there. Okay, so I just like to get as many strawberries in there as possible, and then I'll go ahead and I'll take some more of the Bavarian cream and pop it on top. You can use whipped cream in here too by itself if you want just whipped cream, or even chocolate mousse goes well with the strawberries. But we're going to keep this cake light, and it's a strawberry ladyfinger cake. And then what I do is, since it actually kind of is a little higher here and it comes down a bit, I go ahead and I'll just take a little bit more of the stiffened buttercream and just pop it around here. Take my next layer, pop it right on top.